don't belong. Every time I try to heal